Have you ever looked up during the day and seen the moon just hanging there in the blue sky? Yeah, that's the daytime moon. But why can we see it when the sun's out? And what's with all those moon phases? Let's explore this. Hello there, welcome back to Star Stuff, where we explore the universe, one curious question at a time. The moon doesn't make its own light. I feel like I should just sit there for a second. It reflects sunlight. That's true, whether it's night or day on Earth. So when you look at the moon, keep that in mind, so that you understand what's happening. Now, Earth is rotating, causing day and night, and it takes the moon a month to orbit the Earth. I wonder where they get the word month from. Sometimes the moon is in the part of the sky that is above the horizon during the day. And if the sun's light is hitting it just right, you'll see it. In fact, the moon is up during the day just as often as it is up at night. We just don't always notice it because it can be faint against the bright blue sky. The moon is naturally brighter at night because we don't have the sun in the sky to compete with it. I'm hoping no one thinks it's the Earth's shadow on the moon during its regular phases, because then they'd be horrifically incorrect. If I come across someone who thinks that, I'm gonna lose it! The only time we see the Earth's shadow on the moon is during a lunar eclipse, where the Earth is directly between the sun and the moon, full moon, at a precise angle. As the moon orbits the Earth, the angle between the moon, Earth and sun changes, and that's what causes the phases. I've labeled a simple video to display the moon's different phases. We see the moon during the day, most often when it's in its first quarter and last quarter phases. That's when it's about 90 degrees away from the sun in the sky, so both are up at the same time, just in different parts of the sky. So the next time you spot the moon and the sun shining, remember, it's just sunlight reflecting and bouncing off our closest celestial friend. And depending on where it is in the sky, the moon might be saying hello during the day. I'm curious, what do you wonder about space? I'd love to chat about it. Drop it in the comments below. I hope that cleared things up. Thanks for watching Star Stuff. If you learned something new or just enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more cosmic curiosity. Cool beans.